Hi, today we'll talk about money and how we talk about money in Bulgarian and what we do with the currency lev and its part stotinka. So we have един лев, 1 lev, and една stotinka to be 100 part of the lev. And this coin here is called moneta. So moneta от 50 стотинки is what I'm holding in my hand. So the 50 стотинки coin. Монета от 1 лев. And then when we have the paper money, we have банкнота. Това е банкнота от 10 лева. Това е банкнота от 20 лева. Банкнота от 100 лева. Or 131 лева и 50 стотинки.